Hello and welcome to a channel tutorial on Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to build a 3D skeleton model for a chassis that can be used to make a chassis using the advanced parametric extension. Um, the basic method is to create 2D and 3D curves. 2D curves can be created using the sketch option provided in Creo, and the 3D curves that can be created using the curve through points option up here, or any option like a curve from equation or a curve from cross section. You could also use the style option, but some complex 3D curves are not supported in AFX, so be careful to use your options. So to make this video short and very brief, I'll take you to the steps that I've used to create this model. Basically, I've created a sketch in the top view, in the top line rather. It's a very simple sketch, and I've added reference points at the intersections of these curves, as you can see here and here. The next step next step is actually a mirror, and then I started using 3D curve, that is the curve through point option in Creo. That is up here, or rather you can find it in the datum drop-down list. It's actually creates a curve between 2 points that you select. And, if you could see that, if I select this point and that point there, it creates a curve. You can continuously go on creating curve by selecting multiple points, but for the situation, 2 points would be enough for me. And so that's how I created these curves. And there's a reason that I I sketch individual curves, because FX creates individual individual members for individual curves. So it's necessary that you should create these curves individually, rather than you can sketch them all at once, if that is planar in the situation. The next thing that I do is created the loops of the rear roll loop and the front bulkhead, and then created the 3D sketches. It is the curves created between these 2 points. If I could show you how to make a point up in the 3D space, or click on the point and then select a curve, you would be given an option to place the point. If you can specify the value as 0.52, it would be at near the center. You can make that the ratio offset, or maybe you could also use the real value, or you can make any of the references like this situation. We could create a point in this curve that's across this plane. So if we select the reference and select that point there, it should select the value, and it also gives a distance value that can be used to specify the exact location of the point. One other thing that enables you to change the type of code that has been created is that you can use the tweak option, before which you have to make the curve spline, and then use the option as a tweak curve up here, and then use the tweak settings. Tweak allows you uh, position or the style of curve that has been created. You could create some complex curve using the tweak option if not satisfactory with the one provided by Creo itself. I can also use You can also use the spline and make it a value which makes it a tangent, or a normal to the other curve. If I could specify this as a tangent to this, it would make it a tangent to that. And you can also use many other options like a curve continuous, normal, or anything. This is all about exploration and the way you want. So that's the end of it. These are the basics that you need to create a 3D skeleton. So that's the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.